Isang pagpupulong ng Defense Council at ang mga Pilipinong abogado ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte dito sa The Hague, Netherlands ang isinagawa para sa pagharap nila sa charges hearing sa International Criminal Court sa Huwebes. Sa panayam ng Newswatch Plus kay dating LTFRB Chairman at abogado ni Duterte na si Martin Delgra sa labas ng detention facility ng dating Pangulo, sinabi niyang maayos ang pag-handle ni Nicholas Kaufman sa kaso ng dating Pangulo.
Insofar as the Filipino team is concerned, masigasig at sumusuporta sa defense team ni Mayor Rudy, headed by Attorney Nick Kaufman. As we have mentioned, after the presentation or the opening remarks of Attorney Kaufman on Monday afternoon, it was well delivered, very accurate, sincere, and factual insofar as we know of Mayor Rudy.
Nananatiling in high spirits pa rin daw si Duterte sa kabila ng paggulong ng ICC proceedings.
As mentioned by Attorney Kaufman, he is in high spirit. Kaya nga lang, alam mo naman, you're talking about a frail, sickly 80-year-old man, no? In a situation where you are in forced detention. So,
Pinahagi rin ni Delgra ang pananaw ng Duterte Defense Team sa 2 araw na charges hearing kung saan sumalang ang prosekusyon at mga biktima ng drug war.
if you're going to ask me as a lawyer, kaya. But my observation is that any case that is brought to the ICC may malalim at malakas na political underpinnings. So the political factors will hold sway insofar as the resolution is concerned. But on the matter of having to look at the case as judicious as it may be, no? Under a atmosphere of judicial scrutiny, confident ako at confident yung team.
Sa kanyang opening speech sa confirmation of charges hearing, unang sinabi na ni Kaufman na pamumulitika ang dahilan kung bakit napadala si Duterte sa The Hague.
And we hope that when you conclude your deliberations, Your Honours, that you will dismiss these grievously misplaced and politically motivated charges. We will ask you to send Rodrigo Duterte back to his family, and we will ask you to give back to the Filipino people their tatay digong.
Para naman sa mga abogado ng drug war na si former Bayan Muna Representative Nery Colmenares, pinaghahandaan nila ang posibleng paglilitis dahil anya matibay ang charges laban kay Duterte.
Tibay-tibay talaga. Para sa akin, kung may trial ito, ano kaya ang counter ni President Duterte dito? Halimbawa, anong ika-counter niya doon? Hindi naman talaga widespread, hindi naman talaga systematic, di ba? Ano kaya sabihin niya? Yung mga sinasabi ko, hindi naman policy yon, joke lang yon, hyperbole lang yun, which is of course, yun ang kanilang last resort doon.
Sa pagsalang ng defense team ni dating Pangulong Duterte sa confirmation of charges hearing, kailangan nilang makumbinsi ang ICC pre-trial chamber na walang sapat na basehan o ebidensya ang mga kasong kinakaharap ng dating Pangulo. Sa ngayon, nahaharap si dating Pangulong Duterte sa crimes against humanity charges of murder at attempted murder dahil sa mga umano'y malawakang pagpatay noong siya'y Davao City Mayor at noong maupo sa pwesto bilang Pangulo mula 2016 hanggang 2019. Para sa impormasyong napapanahon at on-demand, Tristan Nodalo, Newswatch Plus, ICC, The Hague, Netherlands.